Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Hey, as black people, we got a lot of soul and we are funny as hell. We know how to make shit funny. Shout out to all my black peoples out there. Hey, y'all, check this shit out. Did y'all hear the brother in the background? Listen. Whoever in the hell he was, he made that video funny as fuck at the end. He killed that shit because I could not stop laughing at that nigga.